Welcome to this tutorial on Leapwork's Write Excel block. This is incredibly useful when you need to update existing data or capture new results all in one place, without any manual intervention. The Leapwork's Write Excel block makes it so easy to do. It allows you to automate writing data directly into specific cells, rows, or columns of an Excel sheet. Before we proceed, let's understand the scenario overview. We will continue from the same automation flow in which we were passing the search terms from Red Excel block to find the respective company details through Strategy Editor. Remember, the search terms were basically the last name in demo desktop application. In today's automation flow, at first we will connect Get UI text block that will retrieve the email IDs corresponding to each search term. Then, with the help of Write Excel block, we will write the retrieved email IDs to the same Excel data corresponding to each search term. Then, we will run the automation flow to check the execution. At the end, we will check the email IDs listed in Excel data. Let's get started. Here's our automation flow, with the help of which we found the company details corresponding to each search term in the previous tutorial. Let's continue. Now, as per the scenario, since we have to write the email IDs of each company in the Excel data, that means now we have to retrieve email IDs from each of the company details found. To do it, we will connect Get UI block and capture the email ID. Let's do it. You could have also captured email ID with Start Recorder feature, so there are both the ways available. You can try any of them as per relevance. Now, capture the email ID field. Yes. Now, since we have to retrieve the email IDs of each company details found corresponding to the search terms, we need to edit the strategy. Let's do it. Click on the captured element and click Edit Element. Over here, if you click on Validate, you can see that the first email is getting selected, and over here, it's one of one, which means it will fetch only first mail. To let it fetch email from all rows based on search terms, let's edit the strategy. Instead of child number, set it to child. Now click on Validate. And yes, we can see here, it's one of 27. That means it will fetch emails from all rows based on search results. Now click on Save button. Our strategy to get email IDs is set now. You must have got the idea about when to edit strategies. Working with a single element, you just capture it and it's ready for the automation flow. But whenever you are working with list of elements or multiple elements, you have to set up in strategy according to your expected outcomes for all those elements. Now, the next step is to connect the Write Excel block so that we can write fetched email IDs in it. Let's add Excel block. After this, click on Path to File button and select Excel file. Yes, it's added as we can see. Now we have to define the range, so that Write Excel block will know the area range in which it has to write email IDs. Click on it, select Email ID cell, select Use Row as header. Then click on Save button. And yeah, here's our email ID property. Now simply connect Text Found property to Email ID property here. Getting why we did it? Yes. So that with the help of Blue Connector, the email IDs fetched from Get UI block will be passed to Email ID property. Let me little shift to the left. Yes. Now to complete the flow, let's connect Pass block to completed property of Read Excel block. This means when all the rows in Excel data will be iterated, the flow will pass. Now, connect current index property of Read Excel block to row index property of Write Excel block. This basically informs the Write Excel block about which row to write to. Now, our flow is ready to be executed. Let's run the flow. We can see that for each search term, we are getting the corresponding company details. From these details, Get UI Text is retrieving email IDs. In just few seconds, we will see in the activity log. And yes, we can see that our flow is successfully passed. If we check the activity log, we can see that for each search term, company details are being found and corresponding to each of them. Email IDs are being read and written in Excel data. Let me show you the Excel data. And yes, we can see the email IDs have been listed here. This is how super easy it is to work with Leapwork Write Excel block. I would like to recommend you try this exercise at your end as well and check the recording panel. Let's recap. We fetched all email IDs from the company details found on each search term. Then with the help of Write Excel block, we typed the email IDs corresponding to each company details in each row. See, this was one scenario that we learned in this tutorial. Likewise, based on your business requirements, you can think of different scenarios to work with your data and create your automation flow with Leapwork Write Excel block. It's featured to help you process all your data management operations so efficiently that will give you quick and quality results. This was all about today's tutorial. We'll soon be coming with more interesting tutorials ahead, so as to make you master desktop UI automation. For any further queries, you can contact Leapwork support or connect through live chat. Thank you for watching. And always remember, learning automation opens the door to smarter, easier work. Keep learning, keep automating.